Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Geevon Atomic Clock with a temperature sensor, either just the indoor sensor or a separate outdoor sensor, and you need to change or replace the batteries either on the clock or on the sensor. You might want to do this for a couple reasons. First of all, you might already know that you need to change them, or you might be getting a low battery signal for either the sensor or the clock, or you might, it might not be working right, it might not be connecting to the sensor, things like that. We can replace these batteries really easy. The hardest thing we need to do is just get the batteries. So for the clock itself, it's 4 AA's, and for the sensor, it is 2 AAA's. If you don't have those batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them very cheaply. But for the clock, all we need to do is come in and remove this cover on the back. It's very easy to just kind of a tab at the bottom that pops it off. And we're just going to come in, pull the old batteries out, and put our new AA batteries in, putting the flat side on the spring and the pointy side away from the spring for all 4 batteries, and then put the cover back on. And then there's a similar cover on the sensor, and we'll just take out our 2 AAA's and put our new AAA's back in there. And then once we get all the batteries together, everything should connect and work together seamlessly. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.